All right, what's up guys? We are back with another video. We ended the last one where I showed you guys these. So today I did get, thank you Ducati bike, some new upgraded plates in. So today we are going to start by taking this thing off and seeing if we can replace all the clutch plates on the inside. There's 3 bolts here, 3 underneath, and there's 1 in here. That's how we're getting started. So make sure to soak your friction plates in oil. I got me some Motul 15W50. This is probably really unnecessary to use this to saturate them, but make sure you soak your plates before, and make sure to clean off your steel plates with alcohol because they are lubricated in an oil that you need to get rubbed off before you install. So there's actually 4. There's 3 3mm and 1 4mm in the front. And that's all that holds this lower fairing panel on. And just like that, that fairing panel's off. So now we got these Torx. And then because I have sliders, I have these 2 Allen keys to get out. It's hard to see, it's right back there. All right, I forgot to show you, but we got this springs, bolts, and then the pressure plate. So there's 3 bolts in here. Make sure when you're loosening them to do it in a circular pattern. I do 3 rotations. And then these 2 came off on it, so you'll probably have plates holding on to the inside of this. See those teeth? So now that you guys can see, this is the other piece of the last one, the last clutch that I showed you pieces of. So now I am going to start the process on taking out all of these plates and then getting the new plates installed. All right, all the plates are out. There are 2 little inner rings, but all the plates are out, so time to install the new ones. So now it's all torn apart, as you guys can see. I don't know if I already showed this. Time to clean off the steel plates with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and then we will start installing the new plates. One thing that you do need to know is that the middle plate is thicker than all the other steel plates. You need to make sure that you put the 2mm thicker one in the middle. There is a diagram I will pop up now. All right, go back and pause that if you guys need. So for that diagram, that shows you where exactly it goes. It's on Ducati Bike's website, which I could link down below if needed. But I'm going to continue, but make sure to put that one in the middle. That's where it has to go. Once you guys get to the back, like, you run out of space. So then it's significantly easier, make sure I don't lose my springs in there, to load it backwards. So instead of sticking it on there, I'm going to take the plate, put it on, then the friction plate, then the next plate, friction plate, and then set it on. Now that I have all my plates on, I made sure the washers are still inside on the other side of the spring. Set the springs, gonna grab what the springs tie into and put the bolts in and torque to spec. All right, after I got everything, I torqued down those 3 bolts and then added my case because I do not have because I have these sliders. These 2 bolts are different, but it's a Torx for those other ones. Now I just need to clean up because I did drip some while doing all of this, so I need to clean up all of this, and then we will see, then we will start it. Thank you guys for watching. Rode it around a little bit. I do got a break-in period for it, but the bike rode fine. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to quickly do GP shift.